One of my biggest pet peeves, and I will stay on this hill until the day I die, is that people love to go buy NyQuil and similar products for their cough and cold symptoms, but they refuse to get vaccinated. Vaccines undergo extensive clinical research before they even get to the approval process, and then once they hit the market, they are under constant scrutiny by both the public and scientific communities. Not only are they extensively studied, but they are highly regulated, and there's tons of post-marketing surveillance done for things like side effects, and we keep databases on these as well and are constantly reevaluating them to make sure that vaccines are as safe as they can be. Your over-the-counter cough and cold products, on the other hand, do not have any of this. Your cough and cold products like NyQuil and Theraflu are not going through these same regulatory standards in clinical trials, and in fact, they were typically approved based on very small sample size studies done way back in like the 60s or 70s, and really haven't been reevaluated since. Take, for example, dextromethorphan, the antitussive or cough suppressant in most over-the-counter products. It was approved back in the 50s, and it was based on a very small sample size trial as an alternative to codeine, which at the time they found was becoming addictive. At the time, it was determined to have, at best, maybe a modest improvement in cough symptoms, and this was all anecdotal and patient-reported. Now dextromethorphan just exists on the market, and it's a terrible cough suppressant, and it has high abuse potential, but nobody's doing anything about it because it's really not regulated. What I'm getting at is prevention is much more powerful than a quick fix. Feel free to fact check all of this and, let me know as a pharmacist if I have misled you in any way. And for all you naysayers who think that we get kickbacks from pharmaceutical companies for pushing vaccines, if that was the case, I would be on a beach right now and not making TikToks.